Most peoples have places where one can certainly say that the history of their nations turned. Bannockburn, Runnymede, Bosworth Field, and here in mid-Wales, Cefn-y-Bedd at Cilmeri. A neatly mown paddock with 13 trees planted around it, marking or signifying the 13 shires of Wales. Here is the memorial to Llywelyn ap Gruffydd, a massive block of granite hewn from the heartland of his kingdom. Llywelyn ap Gruffydd was the last of a 700-year dynasty of the princes of Gwynedd. But we have very little idea, if any, of what he looked like physically, for there's no effigy, no coin with a head on it to give us some idea of the way in which he looked. And yet his name still rings bells in Welsh minds and stirs Welsh national awareness even today. For we must remember that this is not just his monument, it also signifies the end of a nation state which he had founded and which died with him. So he was the first recognised Welsh Prince of Wales, and also the last. Llywelyn ein Llyw Olaf, our last leader,